This is our atom. It has a correct number of protons and neutrons and electrons. It has 3 protons and electrons, 2 neutrons, and a mass of 5. We don't know what that is. We don't know what this is. What we don't know as of now is what? What we don't know as of now is that this atom is capable of
terrible evil.
What we don't know as of now is that this atom is capable of producing color. Would you look at that? It has rings of electrons. Now when we shine this light on it, electrons move up and down and around, and there's colors. This is our atom now. Green was a bad choice, but this atom is green. This atom is excited by the light and has emitted a color. It has begun to admit to a color. This color of the atom is green. Atoms emit all different light spectrums and are funny. So while this atom is green, others can be pink or green. Back to atoms. What would happen if our atom was altered in one sense or another? This is our altered atom. It has this is our altered atom. It has 3 protons, 2 neutrons, and 4 electrons. Now, this isn't right. This isn't what it was before. And that's wrong. This is our new ground atom. Before it was white, now it is black. And it might necessarily not look like this, because ground atoms certainly don't emit a color. But the color would be different. This is our new excited ion. I know what you're thinking. What is an ion? An ion is when the atoms, they're and then you die. An ion is when there's a certain amount of protons or electrons taken out or put in, and it's not an atom anymore. You know why? Because that's just wrong, and it's an ion. I've learned a lot from this experiment. Was it worth it? Was what happens worth it? No. Was what happens to your family in the grand scheme of color worth the struggle and the stress? No, absolutely not. Am I trying to be funny right now? Look at me. Am I trying to be funny? Do I look like a clown to you? The answer is no, I don't. To you. To you. To many others, that answer can vary, such as the light spectrums on different atoms. For an example, on one atom, perhaps, we'll just call this one tr, and we'll call this one t. Now, these are 2 very similar atoms, but what they don't share is the light spectrum, and this emits sort of like a nice foresty green, but this one emits a yellowy green. My name is Violet Leo. I am in Mr. O'Connelly's 6th period class on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And what you don't need to know about me is I know what you did. This was my project on atoms. This was my hot take, my scalding hot take. Please